ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್? ದರ್ಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿದ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕುಡಿಬಾರ್ದ?
ನಾನು ಅದು ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಟವಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರೋದು.
ಟವಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗ ನಿಮ್ಗ? ನಿಮಗೆ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಟವಲ್, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಟವಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ರಿ?
ದರ್ಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟವಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್?
ನೋ ಮೇಲ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು
ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
42 Presents Act Section 42 and percent that
ಅಲ್ಲ, SP ಸಾರಿ HCGP ಅವರೇ, ಇವ್ರೇನೋ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿ ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್? ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? ಬೇಕರಿ ಇದೆ. ಬೇಕರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗರೇಟಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಜೈಲೊಳಗೆ?
prison officer, 2 FIRs are registered against the prison officers subsequent to this FIR.
ಇವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನೈವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಡ್ಸೋದ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
When the offense was occurred, then there is a provision in the prisons manual. There is a space for there is space called as a smoking zone.
Smoking zone.
There in the prisons manual. After your lordship's order, they amended by virtue of the circular.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಝೋನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Incident ಆದಾಗಿತ್ತು. When your lordship heavily come up on the tissue matter, on that time, then the DGAG of prisons have passed a circular by removing the particular space as a called as smoking zone.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಝೋನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಝೋನೇ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸೇ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಈಗ. Anyway, we'll answer it. Wait, ಇದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪೈಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Anyway, I've heard it. Yes, we'll see. ಇದಿರಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹಲಿಮಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾ ಕರ್ ರಹೆ ಹೋ?
There is no stay, your lordship has vacated the stay also.
Which matter? First matter?
Yes, first matter.
Oh, 7 husbands.
7 husbands. We will confront them with all those affidavits. Because everybody comes and tells that I am the husband, I am the husband.
That's what.
She has married 4 times. Yes, it is her fate.
Hello, she is married 4 times. Is no problem. You can marry. The allegation. Let him come. He is not. He is not there. He is not there. Let him come. Elli Mohammed Azharuddin.
That's why, because he was not at all there all the time. Your lordship was pleased to
vacate the interim order, is it?
Not I have filed NOC wakalat, my lord.
Yeah, Mohammed Azharuddin. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
I, my lord. For
ನೀವೇನಾ?
Parmeshwarappa C.
Oh, sorry. Azharuddin is not there.
They was vacated for his absence, my lord.
He is retired now. Yes. Mohammed Azharuddin has retired from not cricket. Illi matter ಇಂದ. Yes. Now one ನಿಮಿಷ ರಾಮಸನ್, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. We will dissolve the 7 husbands and then come back. Parties are there?
Swimming pool.
This matter
10 lakh decide ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
10 lakhs was
Oh, correct.
We have
Yes.
paid, my lords.
Paid?
Deposit
FD.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
FD, my lords.
Fix ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. The petition called in question registration of a crime in crime number 136 of 2026, registered for offence punishable under section 106(1) of the BNS, which is 304A of the earlier regime, the IPC, Rash and Negligent Act. The case at hand was regarding death of a death of a child of 13 years. The petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner, tried to made strenuous contentions with regard to the fact that it was not a swimming pool, it was a pit that was drawn for the purpose of agriculture, and the son of the petitioner had complainant had come in and fallen into the pit and succumbed to the breathlessness therein. The Therefore, the complaint comes to be registered and the matter was settled between the parties for an amount of rupees 1.5 lakhs initially. Later, it was,
One point two.
Huh?
1.2 my lords.
1.2 lakhs initially, which was not accepted by this court, and it was enhanced to 7 lakhs, which was also not accepted by this court, as the life of a child could not be assessed at that amount. Therefore, it was directed that the petitioners to increase the amount and get the receipt of a fixed deposit in the name of the mother of the child. Therefore, the petitioners have now complied with it, with enhancing it to 10 lakhs and an FD to that effect. The receipt of FD to that effect is handed over to the mother of the complainant. In the mother of the
Complainant.
to the
mother.
to the complainant. The complainant, the interest that the account, that the fixed deposit accrues shall be the mother of the complainant, the complainant is entitled to withdraw the interest that gets accrued in the said amount intermittently, and after about 5 years of its deposit is at liberty to treat the account as she wishes, treat the fixed deposit as she wishes. Yes.
Great, my lords.
In the light of the aforesaid, the proceedings stand quashed. Yes, next. Or kotra? Yes. FD receipt kotra?
ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡಿದು
ಊಟ ಯಾರು ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ?
ದೇಸೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆಗ ಪಕ್ಕದ ತೋಟದ ಮಾಲೀಕರು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ದ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಯಕ ನನ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ.
ಓದ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಹರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾ.
Apologies, Your Lordship. That was made near the private land between these two people having conversation, Your Lordship. For that, they have charged 3 clause 1R and 3 clause 1S and 3 clause 2V.
There's no interim order?
No interim.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the, I forget your name. Yes.
Shirisha, Your Lordship.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ. ಹಾ, yes. So and so. The petitioner is before the court calling in question proceedings in special case 12 of 2023 registered. Madam, ಇದು 307 ಇದೆ? 326, 307, atrocities matra will stay. Yes, so and so. The learned counsel submits that the offences under the Atrocities Act are loosely laid against the petitioners.